nursery, and the baby not gonna be in here no way, so. Good evening, good night, whatever time you watching this video. In today's video, we're gonna do a little house tour. This is gonna be the first video of my house renovation / remodel series. So let's get into this tour real quick so y'all can see what we're working with before we finish everything. So I'm gonna turn y'all around and then we're gonna talk about it like that. Okay, so first things first, this is the living room. Obviously, we got some floors put in. We just got this little bit right here. We usually have a sectional. I like sectionals, but we just got this for here. This pillow, don't mind that pillow. My mama gave me this rug. I don't know where I'm gonna put this rug at, but we're gonna figure it out. Here go the rest of the floors. Obviously, we need to get a dining room table or an ottoman or whatever. I mean, not a dining room table, a coffee table. Here's the table over here. That's the garage. Here go the kitchen. We gotta finish the floors. Over here, we gonna put a pantry because how the hell you build a house and don't put a pantry in it? Like, obviously it was some cabinets up here, but we love a pantry. I love a pantry. So the stuff that was up there is down here. It's like very junky in there, whatever. It's closed. So got my air fryer over there, got my knives. These are my plates and bowls and stuff. I need to organize in it, but this another video. Stay tuned for that. I'm filming that today too. Those are my cups, refrigerator. This is the laundry room right here. Turn the light on for y'all. Y'all, this is the best light in the house. I need to change all these lights to white lights because them yellow lights are very ugly and not bright. I do love this about the laundry room right here, that it has cabinets, but I like absolutely hate that my laundry room is right by my kitchen. Like, I don't like that at all because I don't want to have to walk through my kitchen to bring dirty clothes, even if my kitchen is clean. I think that is very nasty. But yeah, that's the laundry room. Did y'all see I don't know. But this is the game room. We put the pool table up. The pool table is up. Okay, let's go in the backyard first. Let's go in the backyard. Even though I really don't want y'all to see in the backyard. But, okay, we got this little shed right here. That's supposed to be my workshop where I do my t-shirts and stuff at. But anyways, so this is the pool. This is the pool house. We're gonna put a pergola out here. We got a grill for out here. We're gonna get this backyard together so we can have like family gatherings or the people that rent the house or whatever we do to the house can have their little gatherings over here. Let's go back in the house. Okay, so, and this right here, I was gonna put some books up here, but I'm probably not. We're gonna put some games and stuff right there. And then they got the pool table. I think my husband said he gonna put a TV in there. I'm not sure, I don't know. Okay, let's go to the back now. Turn the light on. This is the guest room. It's junky right now. It's really done. Maybe another nightstand. I don't know. But yeah, it's basically done. We might put another bed in there or we might not. I might change the cover though. Maybe. I don't know. Anyways, but that's done for the most part. This is the first bathroom right here. This is where I take my showers at. We're gonna paint this. I don't know what color we gonna paint this. I think he said like a fancy green color. I don't freaking know. I don't even care no more. Cause this ain't my this ain't my forever house. This ain't the house that we gonna deck the fuck out. But yeah, I bought that the other day from Walmart because I had stuff down there, up there. I still got that stuff up there, but that stuff down there, that shit would drive me crazy. So I put it up there, and that's the only place I could put it was the back because of this, and that was in the way. So yeah, what else? I'm gonna show y'all that room last because it's very junky. This is the bedroom. I took my sheets off because I'm washing, so never mind that. We need a nightstand. We got our TV up. This room is almost done too. It's just about done. We got our TV up. We need a nightstand because I'll be using my clothes basket for a nightstand. We got our little dresser and our little chest of drawers. We got blackout curtains in here. And we need some rugs around the house. So this bathroom right here, this is the main bathroom. That's the mirror, obviously. Because they're not big bathrooms, and I love our first house that we bought had oh my god, I love that bathroom. I love the whole house. But I got some of my stuff down there. Then we got this. I do like that they have this in the bathroom because I got stuff in here. I got my perfume, deodorant, and stuff in there. I got that. Yeah, so I don't like this shower curtain. I just bought it just to put something up, but I don't like it. This is the junk room, y'all. This was supposed to be a nursery, but seeing that I'm not pregnant right now, or probably won't be pregnant this year, we're not gonna make this a nursery. And the baby not gonna be in here no way, so I guess it really don't even matter. We can put some clothes in there if we still be here when I have a baby, but I kind of doubt it. But anyways, half this stuff we don't got stuff for a lot of this stuff to go, so it's just here. Them shirts right there. If y'all want to look at them shirts, let me know. If not, I'm gonna donate them. Get that shit to a shelf because I'm tired of looking at them shirts. Yeah, I don't know when we're gonna get to this room, but it's gonna be a whole separate video. But I think that's it though. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos. Put your notifications on so you don't miss a video of this house project series. And have a good day, have a good night, have a good evening.